You found that she and her firm represented the former president in at least 7 other cases. Can you walk us through what those ones are?
The first one was Summer Zervos, who is a former apprentice contestant who, in a case somewhat similar to E. Jean Carroll's, accused Trump of defamation for the manner in which he had denied her accusations of sexual misconduct. And she ended up dropping that case shortly after Alina Habba joined Trump's team. That case had been filed, I think it was in 2017. And when Habba came in, within a couple months, Zervos just dropped it. There was no indication of any sort of settlement. And, it was a pretty decent win right off the bat. But she's worked with Trump in some other cases as well. There is a Philadelphia, actually her firm rather, there's a Philadelphia area election official who is suing Trump for fraud, or not actually suing for fraud, but suing for defamation after accusations that this guy was involved in vote rigging, damaged his reputation. Her partner, Michael Matteo, is working with him in that case. They worked for Trump in a lawsuit that Michael Cohen brought against Trump, alleging that his imprisonment was retaliatory. That was another case that they did win. I think that the judge tossed that one out. She's also representing Trump in a lawsuit against his niece, Marielle Trump, in the New York Times for the publication of his tax records. Now, the judge did toss the suit against the Times, but they did say the one against Marielle Trump could proceed. She is arguing that she's appealed that decision, but as you can see, some pretty decent wins or ongoing good progress there from Abba and her firm.
You're also reporting that she has racked up some of her own legal bills while representing the former president. What can you tell us about that?
Yeah, when we go to mixed bag, this is the other side of it, in that she and with Trump sued Hillary Clinton and a bunch of other people. Allegedly, there was this vast conspiracy regarding Russia in the election, and I think it was racketeering and conspiracy. And the judge threw it out and said it was without merit and totally unfounded, and then jointly fined Trump and Abba a combined $938,000, which is a whopping fine to be served for that. So she did say that she had paid it. Can't tell for sure if that's the case or not, but she did tell in a speech, she did say she paid it. So yeah, that was a definite one in the loss column for them.
Because there are some wins, there are some losses, you described this as a mixed bag. Has Donald Trump himself ever commented on this partnership? What does his relationship with Habba look like?
She's in his clubs a lot. She's at Bedminster. She's been seen at Mar-a-Lago a lot. She was hanging out at one of the golf tournaments he hosted. So, it seems like she's not, keeping an arm's distance from her client or anything like that, that she is very active in Trump circles. There were reports that he's chewed her out in the past. I don't know if those are true or not. I mean, I couldn't confirm any of those things. He's generally taken a pretty positive approach publicly towards her, at least for now.
And does it look like this relationship is going to continue as his legal challenges progress?
Well, I mean, he's certainly got a lot of legal issues for her to be working on. I would say that probably depends on, her continued success, how it works out going forward. He also has a reputation of not always paying people who've done work for him. So, in this case, we see that she is getting paid, although said the firm is owed $534,000 by one of his PACs. But she, $6.9 million is real money.